Bada bing.
Welcome back to the Enigmagitarium.
Bing.
Today, we're doing an episode of the Uncooking. That's where we eat foods that you can just eat. I'm your host, Zandiloquence Bizarre, the absurd. Today's good food is egg. It's not about what came first. Never has been. The real question is, what will remain? It is estimated that 20,000 eggs per year are contaminated with the Salmonella bacterium, which kills 30 people per year. Is that a lot? Well, the global consumption of eggs is upwards of 1 trillion eggs per year. That means eggs have a kill-death ratio of 3e to the negative 11. I'm going to cook this egg for almost an hour at a temperature of 150 degrees. Salmonella is killed at 165 degrees instantly. So I think I've got a pretty good shot at making this egg safe to eat. Just one eggshell contains your bi-daily dose of calcium. Now you want to make sure to really chew that eggshell. Bottoms up. Creamy, unctuous, coats your mouth. The texture is good, like a warm oyster.